Hey folks. Well, this is video number 3 on trying to start this thing. Made the mistake of, when I was doing the timing belt refresh, there's a crank angle trigger wheel that goes behind the crank pulley. Well, it is very much directional with it. If you flip it backwards, like I had it, your little points that the sensor picks up are off probably about 15-20 degrees. So I think that may have been why it wasn't starting. So we're gonna see if we can get it another go. We also had a fuel leak, so that's good we fixed it, thanks to Miss Bear over here.
So I would get up, but I'm hiding. I'm enjoying the seat right now.
He's in one of those awesome Sparkos we got for it, so let's give it a shot, eh? Dry on the fuel leaks. Let's see how the homemade exhaust sounds. I kind of like it. Well, that was fun.
At least it started, thank God.
Yeah, no kidding. I felt kind of silly there for a moment. I mean, we just kept trying, racking our brains. Finally found a post on Miata Turbo on how that's one of the few things that's a pretty common mistake whenever you refresh a timing belt is that crank angle timing gear. So it's good to know I got the cam gears lined up right though. So thanks to Fly Miata for their little ninja tool, that really helped. So.
Oh, well, what was weird was when we were trying to do the timing light, you got the whole time, you only got, it wouldn't
like
flash.
one flash, yeah.
One flash, and you had to like keep pushing the button
Yeah,
in order for it to do that, but...
When they were operating normally, you don't need to hit a button at all, they just flash, like on that one.
I didn't know if you had to push a button on that or not, but nope. I guess that it would have been helpful at least, but it kind of makes sense on why.
Yeah.
On that part.
I'm pretty pleased with how the exhaust came out. It sounds all right. It might be a little loud.
Was there a little homebrew hack it off and rotate it and weld it on?
Well, while we're here, I guess I'll give you a quick tour of what I did. Filter out there just because, don't worry about it. Yeah.
Because airflow.
Yeah, because airflow. Lots of fresh, clean air. Okay. So, here's the exhaust on this guy. You see the little canister up under here, which, let's see if the camera will focus, if it'll get enough light. Well, anyway, normally this little oval-shaped canister is flat, like so. Well, it hits right here on the Exocet. Let me see if, yeah, see the little corner there? It's kind of lit up, a little bright. Yeah, it hits that. So, I had to cut, well, Brian cut. Miss Bear's pretty good with a grinder.
Yeah, he trusts me with an angle grinder.
Yeah. So, anyway, cut it, rotate it, get it out of the way. Bend this little angle, or exhaust hanger, bolt it up to where the subframe normally I think had a brace on there, but got a big roll cage on this thing, so I'm not too worried about it not holding. Or not being stiff enough. I mean, I can always add a brace back there if I want to. Anyway, and just a little quick weld around the pipe and call it a day. So, we also wrapped the downpipe right there because I know that one's gonna be nice and warm. Speaking of,
Should grab some more and just finish it off.
no need. This is all steel. I don't think it'll let heat through quite as much. The transmission tunnel right here, if we go look under it, it's just bare aluminum right now. So, it's kind of a cool shot.